What's up, guys? Welcome to another fantastic video. Guys, in today's video we are going to create a professional portfolio website using Google Sites. So if you want to know exactly how to set this thing up from the very first step to the last very step, make sure you watch the video till the end. For me personally, I believe everybody should have a portfolio website. Whether you do anything online, you should have a portfolio website, and that is exactly why I want to share this video with you, because you don't need to spend lots of money to create this thing done. So you can literally just watch my tutorial and learn exactly how to do all of these things. So if you're interested, let's go. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure you're logged into your Google account, just like mine here. Once you're logged in, then you go to this website called sites.google.com. So once you are here at site.google.com, you'll be brought straight to this section. So once you are here, you're technically not going to have all these sites that I have here, because I've been literally creating Google site. That's why I have all of these websites. But in your own case, yeah, it's going to be blank if you don't have any website. But don't panic, that is exactly what we want. So right here, if you go to this template gallery, you're going to find a whole list of templates that you can use to start creating your website. But in this video, we are going to we're just going to use one. One thing I want you to know is that all these templates are customizable, and you can even start with a blank canvas to set this thing up. But I'm going to start with a template because it's very easy to start up, and all the things we need for a portfolio website is literally on one of the portfolio templates we are going to be using. So the template we're going to be using is this one called portfolio. As you can see here, it's called portfolio. So it has everything we want. So we are going to click on it. Once you click on it, now it's going to take us straight to the Google site editor, and right here on the editor is where we are going to make all of the changes and all the everything we need to do for this portfolio website to work. So this is the portfolio website template, and now everything we have technically comes with an about us page and a project page, but we can add as many as we want, and we can do anything we want on this profile, on this portfolio website template. Okay, so since we have this thing now, we're going to go ahead to now set it up. So right now we have this section here. So what we want to do now is to make sure we edit all of these details with the legit or the main details we want to use for our portfolio website. So right now, hi name, you can just remove this stuff. I can just say King, or yes, I can say King. I can say a website developer. Website dev is okay. So from, you can add your location here, but I mean, I just want to follow everything they have already. So I'm going to say from, let me say, from the United States. From the United States. So okay, so this is already becoming too long, but you want to make sure you provide details. So right here we can add our own image, but I don't have any image now, so I'm going to leave this. But if you want to replace this image, just click on this menu icon here and click on replace image. You can either upload or select, but I'm going to leave this. So once we have this set up, and you have to also note, if you don't like this background, you want to change it, you can as well change it. So don't think you are limited to leaving it as white. As you can see, I just changed it. And if you don't like this style, you can literally select any other stuff you want. So I can search for colors. So I can say something like green. I can say something like green, and we're going to have different variations of green. So I can work with this and click on insert, and it's going to insert. So you're not limited to just having it there. You can work with, you can make it anyhow you want to make it. So since we have this now, I'm going to leave it. I like this color, so I'm going to add this. So we're going to give our website a name. So I'm going to call this King. I'm going to call this KO portfolio. No, KO is okay. I don't want to write much, but it's okay. So if you have a logo, add a logo. If you don't have a logo, you can go to Canva and create a logo. Very simple, or just leave it up. So once we've done that, as you can see, it looks good and great. And now we need to work on this other section. So right here, we don't need this. I'm just going to delete this. So this is going to come up. Selected work. So if you, like you see, this is at about us. Now, before we go ahead to selected works, now there are different sections to creating a portfolio website. I mean, portfolio website is supposed to display what you do and a little about yourself and what you do. You understand? That's technically what a portfolio is. But in this one, we have all of these things. So I'm going to add a new section. Okay, I'm going to click on this section, and here I want to give it a title and say about us. I know we still have an about us page, but the reason why I'm doing this is because when people come to your website the first time, especially in a portfolio website, they just want to know, even if it's a little bit of information about what you do, that's actually going to help them. So that's why I want to use this about us. Now, once you have this about us, I'm going to insert another text box. So right here, we want to import, write a little about ourselves. So I can say something like, just want to write a little about us. My name is King Comer. I am a website developer. I mean, wherever you are, just make sure you give it in details. From the United States, I enjoy making websites for my clients and business owners. Like, you can add more information as you wish, but this is too long. I'm just going to copy this and just paste it multiple times. So yes, so we're good to go. So right now I'm going to center all of these things. Make sure as you're creating it, you're making it look good, because it's important. As good as it looks, that's how you are going to that's how your visitors are going to see it. So now we have this information, so I'm going to drag this stuff right here, so they are together now. So I'm going to add a button, and on that button we are going to now link it to our about us page. So I can add a button that says learn more, and the link should link to about us page. As you can see, just pull up that page because we already have it created. So once I click on inside, it's going to come down here, so I'm going to drag it down here. So this thing is very simple, as you can see here. So now this learn more button takes us to the about us page. Now we have this little learn more, and then now selected work, you can now upload what we do for here. So you're gonna upload you can upload anything, but I click on this, it takes us to slide, but I don't want to use slide. Okay, so I can just technically just upload an image. So I'm going to cancel this slide. I'm going to use this one. Let me use this one. So I'm going to drag it up. So I'm going to drag it up. I'm going to drag it to this section after the page. So right here now, so I'm going to click on select image and then go to search, and I'm going to say websites. I just want to get any website, any image, but you want to upload your own website. So no, let me search for, yes, website is okay. So I'm going to use let me use this one. So you want to make sure you are uploading images that are relevant to what you do, because these are what your visitors are going to see. So I'm going to use this one. I'm going to call it SEO. I'm going to search for SEO images. We should find one. Let me use this one, and then this third one, let me search for, I'm going to search for let me say ebooks. I mean, I'm just searching for different random things, but you can search for anything related to your stuff. Okay, so right here I'm gonna say we create websites. So this one I can say we do SEO, and we create helpful ebooks. Pretty much easy. Or I can say we create ebooks. Very simple. So we've literally just added all these things. So you can give details here. I say we help create websites. I mean, I just don't want to type a lot of things, but just give details, or you can even technically just remove it if you don't want it. So let me just remove it for now. Well, you want to give details, okay, in your own case. So selected works, so you can add as many selected works as possible. This 3 is okay for me, so I'm going to delete this section. I don't need it, and I'm going to delete this one. I don't need this. So right now we can add our email address, get in touch. So I'm going to add the business email address. So you can say email at business.com. Like, you add your business email address. So you can add your phone number, you can add anything you want to add. Make sure you add everything here. So you can go to footer and also add copyright text. You can say copyright 2025 King and full stop. All right, received, but I don't want to do that. It's okay for me. So this is going to appear here on the footer. So if you want to add more information that's going to appear on the footer, you can do that. So pretty much simple and straightforward. I'm going to delete this. Okay. So this is I mean, in no time, in just a little time, we have created this beautiful portfolio with using Google Sites. Okay, so let me preview it. Let's see exactly how it's going to look like when we preview. There's a few things. Oh, okay. I think the network is having some little problem. So everything is still loading, and but once it loads, we can preview it. Let me just make sure this thing loads correctly, so that it won't be as if we just wasted our time. Okay. Let me reload and see. So now I just reloaded it, and I found out that my network has been giving me some issues, but that is resolved now. So I brought it back to this color just to match some of the colors we have here. So pretty much very simple. So now if you preview this stuff, yes, so we're going to have this stuff right here like this. So as you can see, we have all of this information. Now mind you, I've not actually had time to start editing this properly. I just showed you exactly how to just go ahead to do it as fast as I could. So make sure you calm down and you do yours more beautiful than what you see, because my own is not actually as beautiful as it's supposed to be, because I didn't calm down. I didn't take all my time to do it. I just wanted to show you exactly how to do it. So, but what you can see here, or what you can notice, is it's very, very mobile responsive. So we want to make sure yours is also mobile responsive. Now that's it. I showed exactly how to create a portfolio website. Now one thing you need to know is you can actually create pages. So this is the about us page. You can go ahead to edit it, add more information. I'm not going to do that, but you can go ahead to do that. And project page, your project page contain all your project, the project you're working on, or what you can offer, your service, the services you can offer to your clients, your prospective clients, or what you do. That's what should be on your project page. Okay, so yes, you can even add as many other pages as you want. If you go to pages, you can go ahead to see, click on this add new page. You can go ahead to add, just give it a name and add information to it. I'm not going to add, but that's it. Very, very simple, guys. I want you to go ahead, create a portfolio website. You need it for your business. No matter the thing you do online, you technically need a portfolio website. Everybody does. So go ahead, create it. Now if you encounter any issue while creating it, I'll be in the comments. I'll be there to help you out. So just let me know in the comments, and I'll be there to help you out. And if you want me to make any video, tell me in the comment as well. I'll be there to always respond to whatever thing you want me to do. So there are so many other things that I didn't explore in this video. I mean, you can add forms, about us, form, every other thing, but I don't want to make this video to be excessively long, so I don't want to show that right now. But so trust me, in subsequent videos, as more videos are coming out, I'm going to be making them, I'm going to be putting them out there. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and you've turned on bell notification icon so that you won't miss any video once we drop them on the channel. So thank you very much for watching. I believe you have been able to see exactly how to create a portfolio website using Google Sites. Very professional. You don't need to stress, you don't need to do anything. In fact, you can even add a custom domain name to this portfolio website. So if you don't know how to add a custom domain name, don't worry, I'm going to make a video about it very soon, and I've already made video about it in the past, so but I'm going to make a more detailed recent video about it, so don't worry. So make sure you subscribe, turn on the bell notification icon. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you very much.